Hey friends, it's Des here from Dzdjewelry, and it's time to take a look at my bargain bead box shipment for February. I'm not going to open every single item here because I actually got 15 items this month, and they're antique brass and beads. But I'm just going to highlight some of the what I call wow factor items. And to start off, let's start off with the one item that I'm really excited about is this watch face. And I'm going to zoom in here. It's really cute. It's just a little antique brass watch face. Hope you can see it. It's antique brass. I'm not going to take out the package yet, but it's really cute. It's antique brass watch face. And I'm going to attempt to make a beaded watch. So be looking for that in my Etsy shop. And I got, let's see, number 13 says a heart clasp, fancy heart lobster claw clasp, and it's antique brass, so that's cute. Could always use those in some bracelets and necklaces. That's really cute. And something I'm super excited about because I've never seen these. And I'm going to spell the name, but let me try to focus. Mashan Jade round beads. Mashin, I guess is how you say it. Mashin bead bracelet. Jade beads. So I never seen jade like that. So it looks kind of exciting. Mashin jade. They have like a blue-green tint, and I hope I have enough light on it so you can see it. I'll try to zoom in with the light so you can see them. They have like a blue-green tint with some flecks of gold in there. So I'm not sure about this type of jade, but it looks very interesting. So I'm gonna obviously try to make some type of bracelet out of that. They give you a good number of beads, so I can mix them up with some of the antique brass, obviously, because of the brassy gold in there. I find these, they sent me. Okay, what else we have here? We also have, let's move these out of the way. We also have, excuse my hands, I don't have a manicure. We also have fancy links. These little antique brass fancy links. And those are cute. You know, just the little connectors on each side, so you can use them earrings, bracelets. That's cute. And another thing I'm very excited about is these porcelain. Look at this. It's painted porcelain. Porcelain beads. Isn't that cute? Look at a little floral design. Isn't that cute? It's very cute. Let me show you the bag. Let me zoom out so you can see it. It's cute. I mean, it's only like a couple, but you can use them for accents. I could probably, I don't know, make like an earring. You know, use them as accents or focal in a bracelet. It's cute. It's very cute. But they're so shiny. Okay, and then another thing I'm really excited about is number 8, this rectangle brass bead. That's really cute, isn't it? Take a look right there. That's different. I like to get things that are different. And so, as I said before, subscribing to Bargain Bead Box is an awesome thing because you get something different, something new each month. You get about 15 to 16 items every time. And like, see, here's my little haul right here. Try to slow down and show you. And it all comes numbered. It comes with a shipment key, so you know exactly what you're getting. The shipment key also on the reverse side comes with a coupon that they can use. You can use on their website, their on their sister website, which is beadboxbargains.com. And each month you can use the coupon for either 25 or 30% off, or whatever percentage off they give for beads or whatever they're running it for, whatever exclusive coupon. And there's sometimes contests. Like for example, they have a contest right now. Win 25%, a $25 gift certificate, to their site, for whatever you make. You just send in your picture, and you get random drawings. There's questions and comments, help. So it's, and you can get that on the reverse side. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just try to. And so it's really, to me, it's a bargain. It's a great bargain because it's a great way to get beads without always running out to a Michael's or a beads store, and always picking up beads in such a small quantity, and trying to stay there for hours. I mean, this way you get a variety of items, something new, something that you may have never thought of. Like I might have never thought of looking at a Michael's for porcelain beads, and now here I have some, and I might not even use them today, but at least I have some in my stash now. And I have an actual box that I've separated into 12 months. So I have my little box that I've separated into 12 months with a bag, and I keep the shipment key in every slot, so I know exactly what each one of them is when I go to do pricing and labeling of my items for my Etsy shop. Okay, so let's continue forward. Okay, so now they also sent me some bead cones, caps, and this is cute. Where did I put it? Here it is. Bead cone caps. I hope it's not too. I hope it gets some more light. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of late. Okay, some bead cone caps, and that's kind of cute. Antique brass bead cone caps. Got the little etching on there. It's cute. Okay, so that's a little cutie right there. I hope you guys can see this. Okay. And then what else did they send me? They also sent. Hi guys. I just wanted to come back and show you these jade beads. So here's the jade beads with some better light. Okay, here's the jade beads I was talking about. The Mashan jade beads. And here they are in the light. The better light, and they have, like I said, a blue with some gold flecks in there, and they're really, really pretty. That's how they look. Really pretty. They have the rustic feel, and they'll go perfectly with, as you can see, with the antique brass findings. They'll go pretty. So I'm just gonna keep this same style and motif going together. I'm going to use what I got with the bargain bead box. And I think that's exactly what they do. They give you things that you can use all together. It's designed but that way. Something else they sent me was, which I'm kind of excited about, because I usually don't pick these kind of beads, is rainbow plated round glass beads. I just don't usually pick these kind of beads. I usually work with gemstones, so it's, they're just glass beads, but they're rainbow, as you can see, and they're pretty. I might use them on my watch, maybe. Just make a little simple bracelet, but they're real pretty. Real pretty with shiny. The rainbowy, as you can see. The rainbow hue. And it's a good amount of beads. Look, I mean, look how many those are. That's a good amount of beads. It's like perfect. You can actually like just make a, make a bracelet, add some, add some, add some charms on there. And you're good to go. So that's really nice. That was really nice. I like that. Another one that they sent me that was really cool is number 3, and they always send these. They always send what they call Chinese crystal rondelles. And I just, the rondelles that they send are, to me, they're just perfect. And you know how much it costs to go out and buy rondelles and buy bicones. They always send bicones too. And these are just perfect. They're just really, they're perfect size. These are 6x4 mm. So they're great. And look how many you get. That's like so good. And so, like I said, I pay $15.99 a month. Look at that. That's awesome. Look how many I got right there. And I actually got another set over here. I'll just try to scoot this over. I got another set that they sent me. This is an even smaller set. I'll put it in the bag for you guys. I hard doing things with one hand. Yeah, one of these iPhone people uses. And they sent me the even smaller set, which is, these are the bicones. Those were the rondelles, and these are the bicones I talked about. And look at that. You can make, using these, you can make a lovely little memory bracelet, wrap. Look at that. And look at the color scheme. Just beautiful. So, like I said, I pay $15.99 a month. My total shipment is worth $49. And I pay $15.99 a month. And I don't know, somebody's good at math. It's supposed to like really come out to like almost like $1 or something, But I mean, it's really awesome. It comes out to like dollars on the bead, almost less than dollars on the bead for the amount that they send you. And it's actually so awesome. These are metal beads, metal spacer beads, and it just goes on. These are more rondelles, crystal rondelles that they sent. They're faceted. So really, get into the bead box. It's a great alternative to going to your local craft store, going to your Michaels. Not putting down Michaels. I think Michaels is awesome. I know, a lot of us live in Michaels, but it's actually a great alternative. And like I said, many of the bags, because they used to come in boxes, but many of the bags come coordinated to work all together, as if that's what they intend for you to do, to use all the items together. Like when you look at these jade beads with the brass findings, they come coordinated. And with the watch face, they come coordinated. So you can start making something as soon as you open the bag. So once again, that's my bargain bead box finding for February. I'll try to do another video again for March. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Take a look at my Etsy shop. It's dzdjewelry.etsy.com. And if you like this video, subscribe. If you have any comments, how it could be better, let me know. I'm a new YouTuber, so let me know. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.